Hey guys, my name is Antonio Lamigidis, and today I'm going to be showing you the SixDegree Automations Hub and where you can get 3,000 n8n templates and how to deliberately and effectively import them into your n8n workflows. So we can see here we've got the SixDegree Automations Hub. It's going to be a quick and short video, but essentially it's just the overall community here, which has a bunch of content on it, the classroom as well, which has a bunch of other n8n templates. Under n8n templates here, you can just click the classroom and then click this specific area to get into that. And you can see that we have 3,000 templates right under here. Let me see if I can pull it up for you so you can see it. So it's right at the top there. I'm going to leave it there. And essentially, we have a bunch of different n8n templates that you can choose from. But what we're going to get into to here today is that we can get up to 3,000 all in one go. So first off, there are videos and tutorials on how to make some of these integrations. The URL files are always going to be at the bottom. You can just simply download it to your computer and then import it. And in this case, there are categories and template lists. So we have the n8n zip file here, which is essentially 3,000 of them that you can download directly, and the n8n guide. So the n8n guide is an easier way for you to actually look and get for what you want. So in this case, I've just put it into a PDF file with each hyperlinking to what you want. So we have the title, description, the department, and then the actual link for the n8n workflow template. So let's say if you want an auto-labeled incoming email, Gmail messages with AI nodes, it's the ops department. You have the link to the template. We can click it. It will go to the GitHub, which is this. It might look a little scary at first, but don't worry. It's actually a lot more simple than you think. So what you do here is there's a little download button right there. What you want to do is click this download raw file, and you will get the JSON up in here. Now what you do from there is you go to your n8n, you go to your workflow, you create a new workflow, you click these three buttons up here, import file, import your file here, and it should pop up exactly how it's done. See, we've got the entire workflow right here, and it has like guides. You can edit it, you can open it up, you can start editing every single thing and customizing it to your specific parameters. You can add your OpenAI chat, API, and vice versa. And we can do this for every single template. So just to show you again for another one, we'll just go back here. So let's just go back here. There we go. And then we'll click this and we'll see what we want here. There's security, there's support, there's operations, executives, marketing, pretty much anything you need. So there's 3,000 templates here that you can easily use. Just click the link in the description below and you can grab this. A lot of these ones at the end are a bit more advanced ones. For example, we have an advanced demo, presented AI, 14 developer meetup. So they have like advanced capabilities. These are a bit more intuitive. I'm going to go ahead and work through some of the ones that I think are most effective that you can potentially sell for 5,000 plus in future. But a lot of these ones at the bottom are definitely a bit more complicated here. So we can see here, we've got a bunch of AI, development integration ones. Here's an API schema extractor. I actually quite like these because these are quite cool. And I work with a lot of scraping tools in the past. So I'm just going to download this file and see how it looks like. So go to overview, leave this, creating a workflow, import file, import my schema extractor. So yeah, it's definitely a bit more complicated, but at least we have all of these files and templates ready and available for us to go at any single time. It's all there, right? So you don't have to spend hours and hours figuring out a specific overall understanding of this. You can just simply go back to your templates and it's all there for you in the n8n guide. And then just click which one you want, right? Go to the template, do exactly what I did. And when you do find something that you do like, you can integrate it yourself. Of course, there's going to be more than just the template itself that you're going to have to figure out. For example, that it takes a little bit more skill to understand how these things work, but they're relatively simple, and we can make some tutorials as well on how to get this stuff set up. And you shouldn't have any problem if you go through the courses on how to actually set this stuff up one by one. For example, this stuff is just setting up a simple node credential, which in this case could just simply be done by clicking one of these, setting up a node credential, or you're creating a credential with Google. And then from there, you'll link it up. And then as soon as that's done, it should automatically propagate to the entire thing here. So you can see now that it's propagated to all of these nodes here, and therefore it's created this massive loop. That's pretty much it. So quite short video for me today, but essentially there are 3,000 templates that you can easily use here. So this is an incredible amount of value in a very small place here. So like I said, again, go to the n8n templates section. It's right at the top here under this folder, categories and template list. You can download the entire zip file as well if you prefer, or you can just go to the n8n guide and pick and choose which one you want from there, and then you can go ahead and create them from scratch. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this and this has added a bit of value to your day. And I'd love to see what types of things you guys end up building from this 3,000 n8n template list.